Challenge: can I upgrade my space in 60 seconds? Start the timer. Let's transform this plain wall fast. Here's the problem: boring, empty entryway. Zero style. But I've got the HARRITPURE Round Mirror. Let's see the magic. Unboxing: sleek black brushed aluminum alloy frame, super modern. Lightweight but feels sturdy. Quality you can trust. Check out that minimalist design, so chic and versatile. Ready to mount. All hardware included, no extra trips. Quick tip: mark your spot for perfect placement. Mounting bracket on, screws tightened. Easy, no fuss. Mirror clicks securely into place. No wobbles here. Timer check. Halfway there, still going strong. Peel off the protective film, reveal that HD clarity. Look at that reflection. No distortion, just pure style. Let's style it. Add a plant, a tray, instant upgrade. Step back. Compare before and after. Total transformation. Facial reaction. Wow, this space feels twice as big. That black frame pops, adds elegance and depth instantly. Perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, entryways, wherever you need style. Durable brushed aluminum means it lasts, looks luxe. Explosion-proof safety glass, peace of mind for families. Versatile size, 24 inches, fits most spaces perfectly. Modern, minimalist, and totally on-trend for any decor. No more boring walls, just effortless sophistication. Amazon Prime delivery. Get it fast. Install even faster. Exclusive deals available now. Don't miss out. Voiceover. Want a quick, stylish upgrade? Choose HARRITPURE Round Mirror, trusted by design lovers. Easy to install, instantly elevates any room. Perfect for home decorators, apartment dwellers, trendsetters. Love modern design? This mirror is a must-have. Stop scrolling. See the difference for yourself. Click the link in the description to shop now. Bring home the HARRITPURE Round Mirror today. Upgrade your bathroom, bedroom, or entryway in minutes. Don't settle for ordinary. Choose extraordinary style. Join thousands of happy customers loving their new look. Still watching? The clock's ticking. Challenge yourself. Can you transform your space this fast? Order now and try the 60-second challenge at home. Mirror arrives safely packaged, ready to impress. Unbox, install, admire, repeat for every room. No tools? No problem. Installation is beginner-friendly. Sturdy, safe, and oh so stylish. What more could you want? Perfect gift for new homeowners or design lovers. Make small spaces feel bigger and brighter instantly. Reflect your personality with modern, minimalist flair. Ideal for renters, easy to remove, leaves no marks. Mirror matches any color palette. Super versatile. From morning routines to last looks, always crystal clear. Ready to level up your home decor game? Don't wait. Stock is limited, demand is high. HARRITPURE Round Mirror, where function meets fashion. Final result: one stylish, transformed space in 60 seconds. Challenge complete. Are you up for it? Tap to shop now and start your own transformation. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.